The Great Barrier Reef has experienced 5 mass coral bleaching events in just 8 years. And so what we're seeing is the coral reef environment changing almost forever. A certain amount of corals are doing okay, but the majority are not doing so well. So what we're trying to do is really put the brakes on biodiversity loss or create an insurance policy with the Forever Reef Project. And by doing that, we're actually collecting every species of coral on the Great Barrier Reef and holding them in these state-of-the-art tank systems for their ultimate conservation, but also to make living fragments, genetic material, and tissue samples available for reef research and restoration efforts. The Australian Geographic Award for Nature will really help us achieve our ability to collect all 415 species of Great Barrier Reef corals. We currently have 179 species in these tank systems right now, representing about 43% of the biodiversity, but we want to collect every single species by 2026.
For traditional owners, it's really important because the barrier reef is so important to them. They've got a custodianship to look after the land and sea, and that includes the barrier reef. It's a living thing, but it's part of our stories.
One of the most exciting parts of the Forever Reef Project is our First Nations hubs. Now, these are transportable facilities that we will have along the length of the Great Barrier Reef to allow First Nations groups to actually collect corals on country, hold corals on country, and then if we ever need to restore and rebuild reefs, these corals will go back to country. And this puts traditional owners and Indigenous groups in the driver's seat in terms of coral conservation, allowing them to look after their own local biodiversity.